Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue as from the video number 2. Now this is video number 3. So the selection still got error, so you can copy this error, meaning that we ask ChatGPT to solve it for us. Okay, as we learn in class, we can use roulette wheel, we can use tournament selection. So now I think the ChatGPT give the roulette wheel selection, so we can use this code. Okay, we copy. So now the error is at the selection, right? Selected indices selection. So after initialization, you can put below. This is selected indices, roulette wheel selection. So this one, selected indices selection, right? Now the name is select. We use roulette wheels. This one that has been changed. No, this one. Copy. The name of the function is the roulette wheel. Okay. The roulette wheel, the fitness value, number of selection. Number of selection. Never mind, we can run. We can run first. But this one you need to declare number of selection. Okay, we try to run. Of course, F error. Didn't recognize the number of selection. So we can copy and ask the ChatGPT. Okay, just define the number of selection. Okay, 50. Example, number of selection is 50. I think in example, number of selection will be set to 50, indicate 50 individuals will be selected. Okay, so meaning that is half from the population. Now we set our population is 30, so I think our number of selection should be 15, half. Okay, try again. Of course, you get error there. See, meaning that our selection don't have any error. Now the error is at crossover. So meaning that after we select, right? After we select, we can we go for the GA operator, is crossover. So you can hear what is the output of the selection. Selected indexes, meaning that the index value, the output is selected indexes. So you can use here selected indices. So 15. So this is the value that has been selected, meaning that the population number for the mating, for the crossover. So again, we can ask ChatGPT. You can do it by manually, but you can ask ChatGPT for the simplicity. So we hope that the ChatGPT can provide us the code. Okay, there is a lot of function that we can use, but this one, I think the popular one is a single point crossover. Okay, so you copy. This is become all the functions, meaning that everything is function after initialization. Roulette wheel is selected indices. Now we want to use the single point crossover, so now we need to change the code. The previous one is crossover only, so just paste. Now the name is single point crossover, parent 1, parent 2. Okay, but I think it will become error because never mind, we try to look at first. Offspring, single point crossover, parent 1, parent 2. Okay, we try to, because we need to have 15 numbers of the parents and 15 numbers for the parent number 2, right? So try to look at here. There is a various crossover method. Example, implement a single point crossover taken from parent 1 and parent 2. Okay, we try to run. We're quite lazy to troubleshoot. Let's try to run. So got an error there. So it will not recognize the parent. So we can ask ChatGPT to solve for us. Okay, observation. Offspring crossover. Okay, now assuming the selected array containing indices of selected individuals, crossover population selected indices. So you're seeing these things, but now it's error, right? Selected indexes population. Never mind, we try to do this thing, or we can ask him to ask ChatGPT to solve. Function suit with the selected indexes from roulette wheel, right? Okay, function offspring population selected indexes. Okay, we can use this thing. We can use the containing this. Okay, try copy this. The function is similar. Roulette wheel, single point crossover, this one, right? So just replace single point crossover population selected indexes. So meaning that we have selected indices, normal, size population, crossover point. Try to run whether it can be operated okay or not. So got error, unrecognized function of parent 1. Oh no, you need to rephrase back this value. Function offspring is single point crossover, not parent 1, instead of population and selected indexes. So you have array element because of parent 2 population offspring. Okay, we can copy, ask ChatGPT to troubleshoot for us. Okay, correct. Okay, because we use 30, so we divide by 2, you got 15, so you get odd numbers, right? So that's why this is errors come out. So we just copy this code function. Okay, you just paste, change everything. That one is value fitness at the below one, so you can just replace this function. Try to run. For sure have error. Now the single point is already, the crossover is already solved. Try to look at the population. Now the offspring is the offspring. See, you get the 15 value. Maybe it's 0 because we didn't consider the 15 one. So now we try to do the mutate. So we copy this function. Remember, GA we have selection, crossover and mutation. So we ask the ChatGPT to do for us. Okay. So this is for the mutation. We try, maybe have error. Just copy. After the code there, it's better that you put the comment for mutation process. Okay, this one for crossover process. Okay, this one selection process. Okay, so we have mutation, mutated offspring, the output. Now the output is replacement. Okay, offspring. Never mind, try to run. I think it's error there because not improve. Mutate offspring. Offspring, the name of the function. Offspring mutation rate. So you have supposed to have mutation rate there. So we just declare mutation rate supposed to be let's say 0.1% or 10%. Try run. Should be error. Not enough input argument. Mutate rate. Mutate offspring. But our function supposed to be offspring and mutation rate. Oh, so you need to copy similar. The input argument is not similar. So that's one supposed to be, and of course have error. This is like you try learning by making a mistake. Unrecognized. This one offspring fitness. Okay, I think this one got problem or mutate offspring. Okay, no problem. I think the offspring should be changed. Never mind. Now the problem is not recognize the generated data. Generated data basically is a data. Right, your power demand. Try to. Still got error. The replacement. So we just copy to ask the ChatGPT to solve, to do the code for us. Because if I do in the class, it's similar like this. Because your class is online, you just use the code that prepared or produced by the ChatGPT. So this is the new function population. The name is now replacement. Population replacement. So before this one, you can put here replacement. Replacement population fitness offspring fitness. Okay, in our main code, offspring fitness. Okay, it should be okay. Try. But error there. Exit numbers. Okay, my copy. indicate modify the replacement function. Okay, combine, you combine first the population and offspring, and then you sorted everything. Okay, okay, we try replacement function. Where's replacement? This one. Try. Okay, best fitness function is not recognized. I think the one should be okay. We ask the ChatGPT. Max or minimum? Max, I think should be minimum, because our cost should be minimum. Never mind, we try to look at it. Find the best fitness here. The problem is at here, 953. This one. So this one should be the minimum. We want to find the minimum, right? The minimum fitness. Never mind, we try best solution. Best fitness index. This one. Try. See, don't have error. I think should be completed. What is your results? Best solution. Try. So this is the combination of best solution. So generator 1, or you can make it transpose. This one 60 something, 25 something. So what is the cost? What is the value of the best fitness is fitness. Try to find the fitness. See? Or you can type the fitness. The best fitness should be located at the this one is the max, right? So you need to change. We need to change our fitness, because we want to find the minimum cost, not the maximum cost. So in terms of evaluation, need to do some fitness, calculate the fitness. We do the evaluation. Where is the sorting? Need to do the sorting process. Evaluate fitness, population, replacement, fitness selected. The best fitness should be the minimum. Oh, this one to find the minimum fitness. They didn't use the sorting process. The minimum fitness. Okay. What is the index of the minimum fitness? You can copy. It's not put in number 1. It's number 30. So this one, the minimum one. Okay. So this one for the 100 iteration. You can compare by using this manual, and then with the using the toolbox embedded in the that we have discussed in the video number 1. So I think that's one is hard in for you to do your assignments. Bear in mind your data should be arranged like this. So this one, of course, this tool is not included, but for those who include the valve loading effects, it's just in the matter of the equations, the additional equations. You can ask ChatGPT. Okay, normally it become the cost larger compared to this one, but this is for 13 generators. So your assignment is using your 40 generators. Okay, so I hope you can get something, and hopefully you can submit within the due date. Okay, I think that's all for this class or this video. Hopefully you can fulfill the requirement of the class that has been cancelled for this week. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much. All the best.